Henry the Tool Addict. Woo! What's going on? Appreciate you guys coming back. Appreciate you hitting that subscribe button if this is your first time checking it out. You're gonna like this. I'm excited about this. I am super excited. Sorry, got interrupted. And if you see the nose of the infamous Henry, what's going on? Good boy. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? He's a good fella. He just wants to be next to me all the time, even when I'm talking, or just got to be on the camera. And by the way, a couple people wanted to send dog treats to Henry. I will put a PayPal link down there. I don't really feel comfortable with getting dog treats, but if you want to donate to Henry's dog treat run, just saying. A couple people wanted to send him some stuff, and if you send it in my PayPal and tell me what you want me to get him, I will get him and show you. I have no problem getting Henry some treats. He's already pretty spoiled, but he does appreciate anything. So, anyways, enough of that selfless promotion. Henry's just he's a good dog. Anyways, he's my buddy. He's my best friend. So, anyways, today's video is going to be about a product that I saw. Actually, I saw several of these products all over Instagram, and I was super excited about getting these, and I've been using mine now for probably about a month. Bought a pair of these. They're really affordable. $65 I think total shipped to my house with tax, and I've been really happy with them. And without further ado, we're going to talk about them. It's going to be the Odelfi Strip Lamp Pro HD headlamp. Now, if you guys know, I'm not a big fan of the neck lights, this thing is actually really cool, and let's just show it to you. Now, I do put it on with a hat, but you can put it on backwards, which I do like about this, because if you just want to leave your hat on and you don't want to have this sweaty or whatnot, you can leave this on your hat, whereas neck lights kind of get in the way. And I have some Cornwall lights that are like these. These have wave inductions on them, and so you can just wave them on, wave them off. Pretty cool, and they're really bright. They're really bright. I will actually put a clip in here of me using this at night. In fact, let's see if we can use it right now and shut the lights off. All right, so here's the, I'm trying not to put the shadow out there. Here's the headlight on high, low, and there's the spotlight. You can see it's like 9:30 at night, guys. There's low beam, and I'll shut this off, and this is my stream light. So that's the normal, that's 1,000 lumen. Okay, so that's 1,000 lumen with the stream light wedge. Now let's turn the headlamp back on. That's high beam on the headlamp. It's very close proximity. You know, obviously you can see that it runs out here, but it lights up the whole area. I really like it. Pretty nice. So, yeah, I just thought I'd add this clip in here at night. Have it on that. Really comfortable to put on. I gotta say that. And the flexibility of it, man. I mean, you can bend this thing. Whoops, bumped it on. Flexibility, but you can even use this as a, if you don't want to put it on your head, just use it as a flashlight and run it around. I mean, hell, you can literally use a spotlight as a flashlight. This is a 350 lumen band right here. You know, it's super cool to put on, or easy to put on, just quick, and you can keep it folded up in your pocket. I tell you what, even walking around at night, I gotta tell you, I've been wearing this thing all the time. In fact, what I do is I'll just keep it on my head like this, and people will be like, "What's on your hat?" And I'll be like, "Oh, it's my headlamp, so I can turn it around." You know, just use it. I know, goobered up here, but I gotta tell you, this is by far the best headlamp that I've ever seen. And I don't just normally, you know, you don't see me posting a lot of headlamps because I'm not a big fan of them. But this thing, I'm super stoked on. And there's another one on Instagram that I've seen was called Light Bar, and it is really expensive. Has a battery pack, does last longer. This is 350 lumens. Runtime supposed to be about 2.5 hours, and quite frankly, I can say that for right now, I've gotten 2 hours at least of runtime before I've charged it. It is a USB-C charger, And on low, it's 150 lumens too, by the way. But this motion detector, wave control it's got, but it's a USB-C, which is really cool. The water resistant on it, I will say, is questionable. This case is not sealed in. There's a couple of little flaws that I've noticed, like separation of this right here. But for the most part, I've been beating this thing up really good. And for 65 bucks, I think this is a heck of a deal. There is some questionability of durability, and that's these right here. The neoprene, rubber, whatever right here, I question that if you're tugging on this a lot and you're really abusing it. I wonder how long these are going to last. But I've been using this for a month. In fact, you can see the discoloration. This was black, like true black, and it's dusty and dirty now because it's getting... Let me see if I can actually clean it up a little bit. You can see the difference in color on it from me cleaning it up, whereas the normal black would be. But yeah, just a super awesome light for really a good price, in my opinion. 35 bucks, I think, was what the real price of it. 2 adjustability straps on it, and as you can see, the brightness on them is very handy. In fact, I tell you what, I gave my other one to one of the guys in the shop, and he loves it. He's like, I gotta have more. He's like, I'm gonna keep one in my truck. The ability to just fold this thing up into a ball and not worry about breaking it, not worry about dropping it, shoving it in your pocket, your hip pocket. That's the cool part about this. This thing, as far as durability wise, I'd say it's awesome. And look at these little light bars in here. I mean, they're just super flexible. I don't know how they do this stuff, man. This technology, you can literally fold this thing like a sandwich, and it retains rigidity on the strength of it. I mean, just super, super awesome. So far, a month in, I feel like if I get 6 months out of this, it'll be fine. We'll see. Long-term longevity, I guess that's going to see. But I don't buy a lot of these headlamps like this. This thing, I'm definitely hooked on these. These are awesome. And the cool part about this is your width of area. So when I'm working on something now, I'm not, you know how a headlamp or those spotlights are, especially you can see on this one, you know, you're spotting an area. Where this one, you've got a full width on something. So my area is a lot broader than I'm working on something. So I don't have to sit there and point my head and move it around. That's what I like about these light bars. So I'm going to put a link in the description. There's no affiliate to it. Once again, 100% paid for by myself. I had to check these things out because I was very, very intrigued. And this one is the Odelfi, or whatnot. But yeah, definitely an awesome kit. It's supposed to be IP67. Yeah, anyways, durable, stretchable headband, silicone, IPX4, wave induction, it's a cob LED, you know, all that stuff. Whatever, 350 lumen, 150 on low. Definitely check these out. Very awesome light. So anyways, guys, appreciate you watching. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.